everybody. It's 21 News Chief Meteorologist Eric Wilhelm here with another edition of Weather for Weather Geeks on this Wednesday evening, halfway through September already. And here at the halfway point of the month, we had a different day today with some damp weather, some cooler weather as well. Lots of interesting things to talk about this evening. Let's start with a look at today's numbers. It was kind of a backwards day today. Our high of 75 occurred at 1 o'clock in the morning. Our lowest temperature before 5 p.m. today occurred at 2 p.m. when it was 63 degrees when we had some showers pushing through. So kind of deceptive, these numbers today are 75, right on par with where we should be at this time of the year. But again, that occurred in the middle of the night last night. The records today, 92 and 38. As of the climate report at about 5:15 this evening at the airport, 0.16 amount. Rainfall totals today pretty modest in most of the region. We'll show you some rain gauge numbers here momentarily. But as of 7:05, we have seen temperatures cool back off into the mid-60s. In most of our communities this evening, and we'll end up in the mid-50s by the end of the night. This puts us about 13 degrees cooler than the 7 o'clock hour last evening. Leave the windows open tonight. It's going to be much more comfortable. Some actual rain gauges across the area reporting today. Again, kind of an underachieving event in areas south of I-80. Only a few hundredths of an inch in Youngstown and Latonia and New Middletown, and heading down towards Calcutta as well in the Lisbon area. But then you go north of I-80 and closer to Newton Falls and Cortland and Mesopotamia, heading over towards New Lebanon and northeastern Mercer County. These were the amounts that we were expecting kind of region-wide today, but these were pretty much reserved for just areas north of Interstate 80. The last of the showers pushing through as of 7:06. Decent rainbow weather this evening with the sky clearing to our north and west. If you have some rainbow pictures to pass along, weather pics, PICS, at WFMJ.com is our email address, or you can, of course, tag me on social media with those pictures. Severe weather was pretty common today in places that don't see a lot of severe weather typically, and we're referring to interior New England, not exactly a severe weather hotbed, but lots of reports of wind damage and some hail today from Maine through New Hampshire and Vermont into the Hudson Valley and the Capital District in Albany, New York, and then even down towards the Finger Lakes and into north central PA. We had a pretty active afternoon today. Drier air is on the move. We're still hanging on to a dew point of 62 at the airport as of 7:07, but we'll see dew points trailing back through the 50s quickly this evening and even ending up in the 40s by tomorrow morning. Now, with the sky clearing this evening, we have a decent space station pass to talk about this evening. A better one's coming up tomorrow, but 9:47 this evening, a quick one, just 2 minutes, and this will not traverse the whole sky, unlike some of our space station passes. This will appear at about 9:47 in the west-southwest sky, and then kind of disappear in the Earth's shadow, if you will, in the west-southwest sky a couple of minutes later. So kind of a quickie, but worth checking out, getting to a maximum elevation of about 54 degrees above the horizon. All right, tomorrow could start with a little fog, especially in areas that had a decent amount of rain today. But otherwise, wow, what a great afternoon tomorrow. Fairly low dew points, plentiful sunshine, and then Friday should start with a bright and sunny sky. By Friday afternoon, we've kept that small chance of a shower in the forecast for Friday afternoon. Maybe just enough instability for that, but wouldn't count on that, and I would not cancel outdoor plans because of that. I think we're dry for high school football Friday evening, and then this front will come through with little consequence on Saturday. So Friday evening, boy, we've lucked out so far in the high school football season. We'll do so again this week. It'll be warm. Kickoff temperature of 72. Upper 60s at halftime and staying in the 60s through the end of our games Friday evening. Weekend forecast looks like this, 82 both days. Our average is about 8 degrees below that, so well above average. Again, some fog, a possibility for Saturday morning. Mostly sunny in the afternoon, and then mainly sunny on Sunday. The dew points will stay elevated. Just, again, anything you want to do outdoors this weekend, all systems go. Just be prepared for some steamy weather. Our next front arrives during midweek. Our next decent chance of some showers and storms will be with that front Wednesday into Wednesday night next week. And then somewhat more seasonable weather should take shape by next weekend. All right, short and sweet tonight. Thanks for watching Weather for Weather Geeks, and I'll see you back here on Thursday.